Enjoy the view of this 2026 Subaru Crosstrek. This affordable, fuel-efficient Crosstrek gives you all the features you need to keep up with your busy lifestyle. All-wheel drive, flexible interior space, a smooth car-like ride, and impressive connectivity help you tackle every project with confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, alarm, dual zone AC, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, intermittent wipers. This affordable, well-built Crosstrek won't last long. Why not take it out for a spin? Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.